Hi, so we are done now everything. So we installed this vantage motor and the smart controller. So I just want to show you how you're gonna operate this one. So this is the remotes, right? I will show you everything is working fine. Once you press, you see it's closing. Right. So it is closed now, and this is a mag lock we installed. You can see showing the green light. So the green light means this mag lock is on, so that no one can pull this gate. Like if you want to pull it, you can't. So this is for the safety for this swing gate motor. And once you press the remote, you're gonna see. You see the light is off and it's showing red, so means it's open. Right. So another thing I want to show you that is very important. So when it's like load shedding, or maybe the motor is not working, or the maybe something is wrong for the technical side or any issues, so you have to put the manual, right? So there is the keys. So it's come with the 3 keys, right? If you lose these 3 keys, so this is gonna be problem. So you need to change all the ignition, right? So this is a very important, you have to keep it safe. So this is the 3 keys. So what you do when you want to put the manual, you can see, so you turn the key where the lock is showing open, right? When you turn the key on that side where the lock is showing is locked, so means it's locked. You can't pull the gate with your hand. When you push it here, so you can pull the gate with the hand. So now we just put it on the auto and we lock. And one more thing, this is also very important, that's a pin. You must have to put the lock, so no one gonna be take out this one. So you just put the lock here, and one pin is here underneath, right? So here also you need to put any padlock, so no one gonna be open this one. Okay, so this is for the controller. When you log in with the app on your cell phone, so you need to download the app, right? This is the Centurion one. After downloading, when you want to connect this board, then you will show that you need to press this button, otherwise it's like no one gonna be login to the app, or no one gonna be open the gate. So if you want to program the remote or anything, you want to download app. When you open it, when you want to connect to this PC board, so you need to press this button, and then it's gonna be connected to your cell phone. Right, so we just program it for the 3 remotes. So I don't know where we're gonna give it, but everything we are done. So we're gonna just close up this cover, and this is your old one. So everything is 100.